Okay, so if you look at this, can we move this to the side now? So, I'm sorry, to the side. Okay, so I can show this to you. Okay, so the equation is, can you see this? C2 H6 plus O2 yields CO2 plus H2O. Let's see if this is a balanced equation.
Look, I got to the balance part.
No, but we still have to do it. I'm recording it. Okay, so here, okay, you have two carbons here and you have only one carbon, so you have to multiply this side by, let me pick another color. You have to multiply this side by 2. You have 2 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen here. You have only 2 hydrogen here. Okay, so how do you make it 6? You have to multiply by 3, and you have 2 oxygen here. You have how many oxygens here? You have 4 oxygen here and 3 oxygen. You have 7 oxygen here, and you have only 2 oxygen here. So how do you make it? You have only 2 oxygen on the left side. You want to make it 7, right? You want to make it 7. So 2 times something is 7. So that's 7 by 2. Okay, so this is 7 by 2. So now you got a balanced equation, but to get rid of the fractions, let's multiply the whole thing by 2, so we can get rid of the fraction. So you get 2C2H6 plus 7O2 yields, that's, when you multiply this side by 2, you get 2, sorry, it's not 2, that's 4. You get 4CO2 plus multiplying by 2, right? So you get 2 times 3 is 6 H2O, right? So you get a balanced equation. Is that accurate? Is the equation accurate? I think so. We'll see. Is the equation accurate? Balanced one. 2C2H6 plus 7O2 yields 4CO2 plus 6H2. All right. This is balanced. Okay, now we get to the actual solution. You got a balanced equation now. Now look at this. So in here you use if you use 2 moles of ethane and 7 moles of oxygen, right? That is what this equation shows. You get 4 moles of carbon dioxide and 6 moles of water, right? But in the question you are asked to use 4.5 moles of ethane. 4.5 moles of ethane. So not 2, 4.5. So how can you make, meaning if you multiply 2 with something, watch here, if you multiply 2 with something, you get 4.5, right?
And then multiply
exactly
the others by the same.
Exactly, that's it. So you instead of 2, you have to use 4.5, right? So when you multiply 2 with something, you get 4.5. So what is that something? That something is 4.5 divided by 2. That's it. So here you multiply this with 4.5 by 2. Same thing here. Multiply this with 4.5 by 2. Same here. Multiply this with 4.5 by 2. Same here. 4.5 by 2. Okay, so now you will get the answer. So let's do that. So 4.5 by 2 times 2C2 at 6. Okay, that is, how much is that? That is 4.5 C2 at 6, right? Okay, now you multiply 4.5 by 2 with 702. So what is that? How much is that? 4.5 times 7 by 2. Can you calculate that? 4.5 times 7 divided by 2. Let me see if I can use a calculator.
15.75.
Very good. 15.75 or 2. That yields, okay. Now can you do 4.5 by, sorry, times 4 CO2. Okay, 4 times 4 divided by 2. 9. Okay, so you got 9 CO2 plus now 4.5 times 6 divided by 2. 4.5 times 6 divided by 2. How much is that? 13.5. It's 2. Can you check that? Yeah, that's correct. 15.75. That's one thing you want to find out, right? And then 9 mole of CO2, that's correct. And 13.5 mole of H.